Latest model, the tractor Ford. It's a variation of the Ford snowplow. Get the light off there. This model actually, okay, that's actually that model right there. It actually comes complete. The wheelbase is the same. It actually comes with the fifth wheel and the diamond plate. So that's the truck. I decided to make it more crude looking, so I did not make the wheels chrome. They do come chrome. I decided to make it black to make it more tough looking, to accommodate my trailers. I got some other trailers here. I actually used to be a truck driver and I hauled flatbed. So there's a truck there. Variation of that one. So there you go. And I get to work for any company that does not number their equipment. So I decided to put numbers on them to make it more realistic. So there you go, the truck out.